I noticed a motorcycle heading my way, so let's see how it sounds. He wasn't a very loud motorcycle, and he hit about 74 decibels. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Black Canyon sound level meter, a decibel meter. I've already unboxed it, and I wanted to show you everything that comes in the box. Let me give you a close-up of the actual meter, so you'll see what you're getting if you decide you're going to purchase one of these. I've never owned a decibel sound meter. I've always kind of wanted one, and these were highly rated and inexpensive, so I decided to get one. The meter takes 3 AAA batteries, and they are included. I've inserted the batteries, and I'm going to power it up for the first time. We can both see what happens. All right. There we go. That's the initial power on. I'm about 30 feet from the street. I just want to record some regular traffic sounds. From my distance, the regular traffic noise, the highest that I saw was around 70 decibels. I noticed a motorcycle heading my way, so let's see how it sounds. He wasn't a very loud motorcycle, and he hit about 74 decibels. Here's a cool feature of this little sound meter. I have it set on max, so what it will do, it will measure, but it will lock in on the max reading to allow you to read it. 97.2 decibels on my truck horn. Now my wife's car. 103.8 on my wife's car. I gotta say, I really like this Black Canyon sound level meter. I mean, it checks off all the boxes for me. I don't need anything fancy like a sound engineer would, so this works perfect for me. It's got a hold button, it's got a max and a minimum button, a fast and slow. I mean, it is really feature rich. I almost forgot to mention it, but the measuring range is 30 dB all the way up to 130 dB. I'm giving this sound meter a recommend, and I hope you found my video helpful.